Look at that guy's car! It's covered in shit! Everybody's car's covered in shit! Oh, I want to get out of here! Look, everybody's like, what the fuck's going on, man? How the fuck are we meant to get out? Honestly.